Now we understand that Detainable dependency notice already given to Masters Flag State Classification Society. Now company master and the flag state can appeal to the PSC authority a notice of appeal for unreasonably detain the ship. So different PSC have different appeal procedures which can either be found in their website or through the port agent, can be received through the agent. So if the vessel is detained, then it affects the ship operation. So no one want to hire a ship that recently detained. Ship gets higher, it will on low freight rate, shipper bargaining power reduce, which recently detained vessel. So it is very bad for the ship owner. So company brand image also beating. Database very low performing ships and company is publicly posted the website of PSC MOU. Finally, detention of a ship contribute towards a grey or blacklist of the flag state. Finally, detention of a ship contributes towards a grey or black listing of the flag. So, if more than the detention rate, then the flag is going to the blacklisted. So, white, grey, and black. How the performance of the flag. So, when much a state the master company flag behave that the vessel has been unreasonably detained, it is always worth to initiate appeal of procedures. The appeal does not necessarily be for not agreeing to the deficiency. The appeal can also be made if the owner or flag is of opinion that deficiency should have been the code 17 deficiency, not the detainable deficiency. So appeal can be given by the flex state and the company that the deficiency given by the PSC is not the detainable deficiency code 30 deficiency. It is the deficiency of the code 17 deficiency. So they can request the appeal to the PSC authority. For examples, here the some case where the flex states disagree with the detention of the vessel. So the way of the closing out the detention we will discuss here. Once the notification have been done, the closing out the detention need to be start very fast to delay the minimum. First thing we have to understand deficiency correctly, and we cannot effort to understand the deficiency and put out our efforts towards which area required to closing out the deficiency. For example, related to MARPOL, we need to know the defective equipment or observation